You ready, Sam? You ready? Alright, good morning, guys. It is 6 in the morning. We're just going to pick up TJ right now. He's at the airport and we're about to get this vlog started. So, let's get it.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah. We picked up the package, guys.
But since I need surgery again, I don't think they're gonna let me go August 10th. I think they're gonna just have me join at like when school starts.
Alright, so we just got out of the hospital. We were visiting my grandpa. Basically, we're just chilling in the car right now, waiting for my grandma to get back. It's been a pretty long day.
I haven't slept at all.
Yeah, TJ has 0 hours of sleep on him right now for like the past, what, 36 hours?
Well, like 30 hours.
30 hours.
But you know what? Just stop the ground fishing. Going to Bass Pro Shops in 10 minutes. We're gonna resupply.
Yeah, we're about to go hit Bass Pro Shops and basically.
Oh, look at that kid! Holy gosh!
Yeah, it's pretty rare, And as you can see, this is our bomb chart. Get out of the way.
It's not in the way.
Alright, so this is our bomb chart right here. You can basically like choose where we shoot at. It's a pretty nice car, I'll say. But anyways, we're about to go to Bass Pro Shops.
Could you adjust the rear view mirror so they see me?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, they can only see the camera.
Is that good? Up or down? Alright, well, anyways, we'll get back to you. Bye, bye.
Bitches all up in my business.
I can fuck with y'all.
In the street, counterfeits.
I can fuck with y'all.
Taking off when you landing. Bitch niggas gonna throw tantrums and I'm dancing on them stars. The galaxy ain't got room for y'all.
What's up, guys? Me and TJ just got back from Bass Pro Shops. We picked up some stuff. First off, I'm gonna go over what I got. Whatever, we can just hold the baits up. Alright, so I got quite a few speed shads. I got 5 packs. 3 inches. And 3.8s. I got these in like a ghost.
Those are some soft baits.
Ghost shad. Yeah, shut up. Got some. It's like ghost shad and then smallmouth magic.
Nice.
Then I got a husky jerk and yellow perch. Some Seagar and Vizex. I got 15 pound and 12 pound.
Quite expensive, but worth it.
Yeah, 26 bucks, but it's good. Some finesse turrets and June bug.
Finesse.
Yeah. TRDs. Some more finesse turrets and Canada craw. Bass tubes, double dipped,
Nice.
green pumpkin.
Salted.
9 pack. And then I got some offset shank worm EWGs, 2/0.
Wonder where you got those. How much were those?
I can't remember. And then I got some Rapala Shadow Rap Deep jerk baits.
Can you catch trout on those?
Yeah, you can't catch that on those. And then I got one in like shad. That one was like, I don't know, it was just a green color. This one's Ghost Shiner. And then this one is Carbon. Okay, that's a weird name. I got some Flukes in White Pearl. And then
I think a popular question would be, what kind of gum are you
White
chewing?
Ice. Yeah, and then for my gum unboxing, I'm chewing Trident Cinnamon.
Wonder where you got that.
And then I got some Ultra Vibes Speed Craw and Alabama Craw. I've never used these before, but they look really good. Put them on a shaky head or something.
Yeah, they look pretty steamy. I think that'd work.
Steamy. Why'd you get a terminal tackle box?
Cause my
Why'd you buy that?
I have such crappy tackle boxes.
I got a pad crasher. And what is that? It's like cricket frog. Yeah, there's a ton of cricket frogs here in Maryland, where we are right now.
He's lying. There are none.
You're right. Squirm and Worms in black, 16 pack, BPS brand. Stop trying to focus on my face. And then,
What is wrong with the pool cover?
shut the hell up. Oh, it broke. Someone put it on and the pool cover broke. Just in case you guys were wondering. And then I got some more Speed Craws in
Those look good.
Green Pumpkin Blue Flash.
For bass, I'd
Yeah,
swallow
smallmouth
that.
are gonna munch these when I bring them back to Oregon, and then a ton of bass in here, Maryland will probably eat them too. If my calculations are correct. And then I got a lipless crankbait rip and wrap. And what is it? Helsinki shad. They always got weird colors.
You think Kathy would like attack me if I picked her up?
Yeah, dude, she's like, this cat is actually crazy.
Really?
Yeah, this cat hasn't eaten in a few days because she keeps getting chased away by my uncle's dog into the woods, but
We had a private.
we finally
purpose.
got her back inside the house. She's an outdoor cat though, so she knows how to survive.
Is she actually? Wait,
Yeah.
I wanna hold her. I haven't held her in.
She's squirmy, she might scratch you. And then I got some weedless Ned Rig jig heads. I needed these because I fished these a ton in rocks, and they get snagged all the time, so pick some of these up. This is 5-pack. Then I got some round jig heads for just like swim baits and stuff. I don't really know why I got them, but they're kind of trash. But it should do the trick. All right, TJ, show them what you got.
Alright, so I'm gonna do this one-handed because I would like to caress Taffy at the same time.
Should I grab this stuff for you?
Yes.
Okay. Well, he got some squirm and lizards, but they're not in the bag anymore.
Why?
I don't know.
What? Where are
They all fell out.
What? I got a nice 210 pack of Senkos. Some of them
Yeah,
not so
210
great,
pack.
but it's like 22 bucks.
Some
so-
weird colors, yeah. So, but they all look pretty good. Ooh, you got some skinny sankers.
Yeah, those will be.
You can put those on a drop shot, but
Yeah, not a lot of girth, but I mean, it's not how the.
They'll get the job done.
Yeah, it's about how the
I
worm
like
wiggles.
Taffy. Dude, Taffy looks so weird. Look at how big her eyes are.
I'm surprised she's not squirming.
She likes
Considering we threw her halfway across the living room.
Yeah, we don't talk about that. We got, and then I didn't do that, he did.
No, I didn't.
That was you and Doe. There's a video of you. I can pull it up. Yeah, you got those 210 piece.
Yes, I did.
Here's what the salamanders look like that he bought. They're all on the bottom of the bag. 6-inch.
Goodbye, Taffers.
He got $2.50 popper. This is like the famous John B one. I told him to get it. He was gonna get like some white one, but apparently this one's supposed to be good.
Where's my salmon?
Do the rest. They're all in the back. Right.
I was like, salmon, like. I got some topwater frogs because Maryland, we got our 2 farm ponds and one's really weedy and they kind of like crave frogs, I guess.
Yeah.
Anyway.
They love
So
frogs.
I was kind of on a budget today because
Cause he's just cheap.
I'm a cheap.
He's broke.
I smoke a lot of crack.
That's where all his money goes. All right,
But-
show him the frogs.
So I got this one because it's kind of close to the weedy color.
All right.
And then I got this darker one. if it like doesn't go in like the weed or whatever. I don't know why I bought this crankbait. I'm gonna be honest.
Fire tiger.
Maybe I can catch some trout. Cause I've caught some trout on crankbaits. Again, questionable.
Impulse buy.
Impulse buys. I like the color. Then I got some worm weights for the weedless setup because I like fishing weedless because kind of like to cast far and our weed pond is very weedy and it's kind of easy to get stuff stuck.
You can punch through the weeds and then
Yeah.
fish the Senko underneath them. That's what it's trying to say.
Damn. Then we're gonna go get some catfish and fry them up and do it.
Make some catfish nuggets. We'll actually do a catch and cook for you guys. That'll be pretty cool, huh?
Wait. Yeah, I'm the fillet master.
No, he doesn't. He can't fillet catfish for crab.
Catfish can't fillet me for crap.
You do have a point there.
So we just do like a 2 foot, 1.5 foot leader, some worms or
Pyramid
cut
white.
bait.
Or we catch some bluegill in the stream and then cut them up. Catch some 6-pounders.
It's a food chain.
It's a food chain. That's right.
And
Survival of the fittest.
I got this. Is that it? Other than got some hooks for my weedless setup, and then I have a jitterbug, and this kind of intrigued me. It's kind of a weird color, but
He's keying in for the bumblebee bite.
I like bright colors.
Okay.
Okay. So
Is that it?
I think that's it. Yeah.
Alright, yeah. You should probably tie that around your head, just in case. Alright, but we'll see you at the pond. Alright, so I just rigged up all my rods. I'm going to show you real quick what I'm about to throw, and then we'll see you at the pond. Alright, so first up, we got a black and blue jig with a red and blue trailer on 15-pound fluorocarbon. Next up, we got a whopper popper on 12-pound mono. Then we got a spinning rod with a 15-pound braid and a Senko. And then last up, we got a terrible frog rod. This is like the worst frog rod ever, by the way. With a pad crusher. We're gonna do some frog fishing, so I'll see you guys at the lake. Peace. Rolling up in the fishing whip.
Get in.
Alright guys, so we just got to the pond, sand pond that we're gonna fish first, and good. TJ's throwing a little popper, as you guys can see. See if we can get a blow up video. Alright, well anyways, we're about to get fishing. I'll set up the what's it called? Camera, and then we'll get to fishing. Hopefully catch them for you guys. Cool. crush the frog. TJ, grab the camera. Grab the camera.
Oh my God, guys, it's a huge chode.
Oh, first fish. Oh my God, he destroyed my frog.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, I hooked him on the bottom lip. What?
Do you have your scale with you?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
You were zoomed in so far.
Oh crap! Oh no!
He got all of that. Just let him go.
I just want to get a weight on him.
I'm calling PETA.
I'm calling Peter.
So I just caught this and I'm letting Gabe have the credit. We're gonna get the weight. Look at that sucker. And the weight is 3.1.
3.0. Jesus,
Not
the
a
scale's
toad.
moving around.
It's a 3.1 bass. That's
3.1.
pretty. That's a
That's a
good.
great start.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, hold on. Let's get this camera. Look at how fat he is. That's a gut. All right, let's get the release on him.
Yeah. Don't kill it, Gabe. I threw my rod just for my friend.
Oh, TJ,
What?
you're supposed to get the release on video.
Let a man fish.
All right, well, TJ messed that up, but that was a toad. Stay tuned, guys. There's gonna be more, I promise. Maybe like a frog, because you got one too, didn't you? Yeah, maybe a frog or like.
Try the yellow one.
Yeah. Time to switch it up. Whew. Yeah, I think I can skip I can skip way better with the spinning around than I can bait caster. Okay. I got one. Oh, it's a little one, right? Yeah, it's a little one. I dragged the super. That was instant though. The elusive frogfish gets out of the tree very quickly. That was really just hard. I'm just gonna whip him. Just gotta just stop freaking out. Alright guys, just got this nice little like pound small or largemouth, excuse me. I'm gonna go release him.
Last cast is Mr. Frog.
There he goes. Let's get another one.
I made actually salamander.
Yeah, salamander will work good. I might rig it weightless though, because the weights tend to knock the bait, and then the hook gets exposed and you end up getting snagged.
Nothing really here that would require like weedless setup.
That would require?
That would require.
Yeah, there is, dude. All this wood underneath.
I'm not gonna cast it. I don't know. Cranking hooks. Steven again.
He's running so fast. Watch another nice fish.
Yeah, that's like a 2-pounder.
Yeah, it's like a 2.5.
Bad?
You got the hook kind of deep, so I'm gonna have to reverse the hook.
I actually kind of want to catch a fish instead of be your cameraman.
But for real, we're going across the pond. If this gator can start our ride home. Here, stop, just stop for a sec. We're gonna go to the other side of the pond, over there, see if we can get him in the trees and whatnot. Try and catch them. And yeah, we'll let you know how. All right, well, the gator won't start, and we are stranded, so I'm gonna make the most out of the fish situation and go fishing while TJ fishes / tries to get the gator started. Yeah, I'm gonna hit this deeper hole over here. It goes down to 12 feet. I'm gonna see if they're in here. Sometimes it changes. Sometimes they want the deep water. Sometimes they want to be up in the trees. So we'll see. Bye. TJ's hooked up with his first bass. Finally.
Oh my god, it's a wonder.
It's a big one.
It's got a solid pound on it.
You're gonna just let it rub up all on your t-shirt? Or hold him up to the camera.
It looks a lot smaller on camera, but this thing's like
No,
10.
it's fat on the camera.
Oh, this
Look
thing's
how fat. Show him the gut. Hold him up with one hand. Sick. All right, here. Let's get the release. Here, don't hold him like that.
Don't want to break her jaw. So the thing is,
Just
when releasing him, you want to give him a little pet to.
Don't see him.
See how he's quick to get away?
All right, my cousin Giles just caught a really nice fish. It looks like it's pull and drag. He caught it all on his own. He said last cast. Oh, it's a toad! It's a toad. TJ, grab him! Grab him!
Giles!
What the heck? Oh my gosh! TJ, grab him! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold that up to the camera. Okay, that's probably like a 4 or 5. Here, here, I'm gonna go get the scale. Good job, hold the camera. Just pointing at the fish. Alright.
Grab her. Tell me when you got it.
Oh my god, Giles. That's a toad.
That's a huge toad, Chill. Let's see what you got. Alright.
4.56. 4.5 pounder. Alright. Oh my gosh, Giles. Alright, here, let Giles hold him. You wanna hold him, Giles? Here, just hold him by the lips, alright? You gotta
he's
squeeze
heavy.
really hard. Squeeze really hard. Harder. Yep, alright. Hold him up to the camera. Good job, Giles. That's a toad. Awesome job. Caught him on a red Senko. That's great, or like a purple Senko. All right, let's get the release, TJ.
Gotta take a picture of him. Beautiful fish. On my rod and my setup and not me catching it. I hate you, Giles.
There he goes. There goes the beast.
He wasn't afraid at all. He knew he was in good hands when Giles was reeling him in. I got something!
Alright, TJ, pitch it in between these trees, like right in front of them. Or come down to the side and just be like real stealthy, because normally there's like some good ones down there. Get him, get him. Is it a nice one? You made it look so big. That fish was tiny.
No, it was like a pound.
He didn't even get the hook.
No.
He was just eating it.
Yeah. I'm gonna slit somebody's wrist tonight.
Here, try it again. There's probably another one in there.
Yeah. I was
That was funny, though.
And then I tried to